Need a smarter way to work with your notes? Let's take a look at 3 things you didn't know about notebooklm. I'm Emily, and this is AIChief. Today, we're uncovering some hidden gems inside notebooklm. Step 1. Audio summaries of your content. First up, notebooklm can turn your notes into audio summaries. Here's how. Upload your notes or document. Click the Audio Summary button. notebooklm reads your content aloud. You can pause, skip, or adjust playback speed.
Okay, so we've got some interesting material here. It gets right into the heart of the water cycle.
The hydrologic cycle, they call it too. Basically, that endless journey water takes, through the Earth's systems.
Right, atmosphere, land, oceans, the whole loop.
And here's the cool part. You can jump in and add your thoughts or questions. It's like having a conversation while reviewing your notes. Step 2. FAQ Generation. Next, let's talk about generating FAQs from your documents. notebooklm automatically pulls out key questions from your notes. Here's how it works. Upload your notes or PDF. Hit the Generate FAQ button. The AI scans your document, identifies important information, and generates a list of FAQs. For example, if you're reviewing a chapter, it might create questions like, "What's the main argument?" or "When did this event happen?" Perfect for quick study or review. Step 3. Precision mind maps. Finally, notebooklm can generate precise mind maps from your notes. Upload your notes. Select Generate Mind Map. notebooklm organizes your ideas into a visual map, showing how concepts connect. This makes it easier to see the big picture, whether you're brainstorming or reviewing complex information. So, there you have it. Audio summaries, automatic FAQ generation, and precision mind maps. These features turn notebooklm into a smart assistant for learning, studying, and organizing your thoughts. Which feature are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI insights right here on AIChief.